excited.
And now he's tired.
Now he's sleepy. Yeah.
Did that take all your energy, Rex?
Yeah.
Friend, huh?
Yeah.
He's so intrigued.
He is. He's like, is this my new friend? Yeah, it's your new friend. Actually, your old friends. You've been friends for a long time. You just didn't know it.
You didn't know it?
Yeah, they were friends. Gosh, they met 3 months ago?
Yeah.
No, longer than that. Because when did we meet?
He wants to be honest. Oh my gosh, look at how cute he is. Lexi, look up. Hey there. Hi there.
Hi, boys.
Sweetie. Nice to see you, huh?
Yeah. Friends.
Hey, my friend.
He's like, it's not my toys.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, you can share.
It started.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah,
Good thing.
yeah, you can share. He's totally fascinated with those tags.
Oh, he is?
And I got that toy as a gift from somebody, and I remember thinking, like, this is weird. Like, these tags, why would a baby like that? But he loves it. Shows what I know. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember telling my sister I'm going to remove all the tags from just any toy. She's like,
Yeah.
oh no, keep them. They love that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
hi.
Oh.
Hi, beautiful. He's tired. Uh-oh.
Yes, I'm getting a shot of the fabulous mother. Back to the boys. Back to Laura. Hello.
And how about you? There she is.
Hello.
Hi, Jane.
Oh my gosh, they are so funny together.
Want to see each other? Here, let's face each other.
Yeah. Rex totally loves that football.
Oh, it's so sweet.
Yeah.
Get over how cute he is.
Lachlan. Lachlan.
Hi there, Rexy. Hi, kitty. I've never seen you so awake before.
I know, whenever we see you, he's been asleep.
always
Hey,
sleeping.
Lachlan. Hi, sweetie pie. Those eyes. The girls are going to come to your door and want to date you. Oh.
He has a beautiful life. Oh, thank you.